Pajero GLX with the hybrid clutch modification. Second gear, 1500 RPM, no vibrations. I'll do that again. Second gear, 1000 RPM, no vibrations. This is the biggest problem in the Pajero GLX and SFX. Back down to 1000 RPM in second and I accelerate, no vibrations. Now next problem in the GLX and SFX is the shift to third, which you have to do at a higher RPM. Shifted to third at 1000 RPM. I'm now in third gear, down to 1000 RPM, no vibrations. I'm accelerating in third. Shift to second padunga. Second gear, 1000, 1500, 2000, third padunga. Third, 1000 RPM, clutches out, no vibrations. I think this is pretty remarkable. And for any more news or if you want to get this modification done, you can get in touch with